Hey, what's going on, guys? Blue Coyote here. I just got off of work, so I'm on my way home and thought I should just do my very first YouTube video with this on this channel. I do have another vlogging channel, but this is gonna be like strictly car videos. So why did I decide to name this Blue Coyote? I got a 2011 Mustang GT, colors blue, and it has a Coyote engine. Pretty simple. So yeah, this is pretty much like a welcome to my channel, pretty much what I want to start doing, and plans I have for the car, plans I have for the channel, things like that. So first thing, what's already done to the car? Let's go ahead and start with that. So it's pretty much stock. I just bought this car in November. It has 75,000 miles in it now. I bought it with 71,000 miles on it. What it has done to it is it has Forge Star wheels and Michelin Pilot Sport tires, 275s in the front and 305s in the rear. It has, the rear brakes are converted to the 1314 GT500 brake rotors, so it runs a 14-inch rotor in the rear and the stock brakes in the front. I did put drilled and slotted rotors in the front and the high carbons in the rear. The rear is a 1-piston. The car has a Boss 302 H-pipe with the side exits, but I don't think it's from Ford. I'm pretty sure it's like aftermarket because it's wired and it has like a little switch in here to open and close the valves, but I kind of think it's broken. And it has some Flowmaster Hush Power axle backs, which actually today I just received my new package. Whoa, look at that Mustang. I just received my new axle back because I want to just switch up the axle back for now. Eventually I will do long tube headers, maybe an X pipe and a nice axle back, but for now I got that. I think it's let me search up the name. So the exhaust I got is the MBRP 3-inch muffler delete axle back exhaust, and I got it in the black coat. It just arrived to my house, so the next video after this one is going to be an unboxing of that, and the video after that will be me installing it. I'm going to install it with a friend on Thursday after work. I do have access to a lift at work, so we're going to head and install it. Obviously we'll record and everything. So my plans with this channel is pretty much building this car, going to car meets, maybe some racing here and there. People are looking at me weird because I have a GoPro strapped to my head. But yeah, that's like my plans for this channel. It's just a car channel, you know, me building my Mustang, hanging out with friends, going to car meets, going on cruises, just things like that, you know, nothing too crazy. This car is a 2011 Mustang GT Premium. Obviously I have the leather seats with the blue stitching, the shift knob with the blue. It was blue in there, but since, you know, so much shifting, it's peeling off. It's so hot. Oh my god, I'm on fire. But yeah, guys, I'm pretty much just on my way home. Hopefully you guys can hear that exhaust, and hopefully you guys can hear me roll down the windows because it's very hot. Can't really do too many pulls since it's like traffic hour when I get off of work. Yeah, you know, I wanna eventually, my plans are, you know, when I have the money and I can't afford it, is to twin turbo this car. I know a lot of people do superchargers and pro chargers, but that's why I want to turbo it, because I don't want to be the same as everybody else. I just want to go ahead and turbo it, since I don't see much heli on twin turbos. They're getting more common, but you see more VMP, Roush, or, you know, pro chargers, Vortec. So yeah, I don't know, my plans are pretty big for this, you know, build the motor, maybe get a Gen 2 block, since this is the very first, Gen 1 5.0 Coyote. have any pools here since it's so much traffic. But anyways, guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited. Let me roll up the windows real quick. I'm so excited. Big things coming for my channel. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah.